Thursday already? What's up, guys? Welcome to Hight Beast Laboratories. And today we're gonna be reviving my dead dad. Oh, fuck. Oh, well, that's not good. Sorry, Dad. Okay. It's like a puzzle. It's actually pretty cool. Okay, I got the first piece. That runs with Hight Beast, because it's the first piece. Then we got this piece. Where does this piece go? Found it. Okay, yeah. Nice looking cranial cavity. Got it. Now this piece. Yeah. Oh, the Wimpy zipper, I forgot. Alright, so today we're gonna set the coordinates to okay, we're doing science today. Yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so today we're helping my dad out with fixing them. And yeah, he's got a big hole in his head. It's a pretty strong noggin, look at it. See, pretty strong. Ooh. Wow, did you hear that? Okay, well, now that we have these bone pieces, the remains for my father, because I miss him. La 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 la. Gandhi, Gandhi, Gandhi. I don't even know where these pieces go, man. Like, what the hell, man? What? Hold up a second. What? Oh, duct tape, you're a genius. Ta-da, look it, guys, it's all fixed. Alright, guys, that concludes reviving. Wait a minute. That's not my dad. I was adopted. Wait a minute. The Wimpy Zipper can tell us. Ah, I see you're looking at my Boogleberry Men's magazine. Dad, it was just a dream. Okay, so first you're gonna want to get the DVD that you somehow did not damage at all. And then we're gonna put our perfect DVD pieces in here. Then we're gonna take the thing and just, just break it open. And you just gotta remember to mash it real good. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna peel this part back and put that in there. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna get this poker set right here. It has to be this one right here, okay? And then you're just gonna grab a few poker chips. I could have opened it normally, but I had to go the long way. Grab a few poker chips. Bazinga, bazinga. Salada, bluegrass. Making progress. And then we're gonna get some cards and sprinkle those on there. And then you're gonna grab these cards and see if they're okay. You're gonna flick them. You're gonna keep flicking them, and then you're gonna grab this part of the DVD. Just break that, and then you're gonna kung fu karate break it. And then what you want to do, make sure that you don't spill anything, because even the smallest bit that spills will devastated. Okay. And then you're gonna like rip this duct tape apart. Bada boom, bada bang. Be careful to not spill it all, like I didn't do, because you know I'm really good with this stuff. And there, your dad is done.